Classic Football Shirts Review. Is it legit or a scam? Classic Football Shirts Review. Is it legit or a scam? If you're a football fan looking for authentic and retro team jerseys, Classic Football Shirts might be on your radar. But is it a legitimate store or a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming any niche sports site may be unreliable. The surprising truth is that Classic Football Shirts is a well-known online retailer specializing in genuine football kits, including vintage and rare jerseys. The store has a solid reputation with football enthusiasts worldwide. You won't believe what happens next. Customers often praise the site for accurate product descriptions, authentic merchandise, and responsive customer service. Delivery times are generally reliable, though international shipping may take longer. Prices can vary depending on rarity, but the site is transparent about fees and availability. In conclusion, Classic Football Shirts is a legitimate and trustworthy retailer for football kits. Whether you're collecting vintage jerseys or buying the latest team gear, you can shop here with confidence. Always double-check sizing charts and shipping times, but overall, it's a reliable destination for fans and collectors alike.